Okay, so guess what? I'm doing a Glamily. I forget. I always forget to not show my address. Anyways, I haven't received a Glamily box since last year. I can't remember the last time. That's how long it's been. I'm rarely in the app now. I don't really join on the not contest. I forgot what it's called, where you apply for a gift and then you wait for people to vote for you and then you receive the product if you win, if you have the certain amount of votes, or if you rack up points by just uploading videos in the app. But I haven't been active, so I don't have a lot of points to redeem them and get some stuff there. So I just decided to not use it. But I'm gonna start to try and be more active, because now I'm more active on TikTok instead of Glamily, so it's taking my time now, so it's hard to catch up in every app there, and because I don't have storage. So I'm just gonna open the freaking box. So this is a Girlactik box. Glamily collab with Girlactik, and they sent me products for me to try and use. So a lot of ladies have received this box. If you're in Glamily app or you follow them on Instagram, you probably would receive this. Most of these I chose, the rest I didn't choose. They just sent it to me. So this is a Girlactik gloss more. I think this is a gloss, lip gloss. I think this is a shade that I chose. I'm not sure because they had two shades. Let me try and open it. This is the shade Sparkle, and it's a really pretty packaging. Look at the tarts, and it's like a clear with pink shimmers. Ooh, it smells like candy. Wow, it smells good. It's pretty. Kind of want to swatch it, but I don't know. I can barely see the pink shimmers, but it smells really good, like very candy-licious. So the next thing is this is the Girlactik Metallic Eye Sparkle. Okay, this one I did not choose. It's the shade Sexy. So it's like a goldish brown, warm, greenish. I don't know. It's a pretty shade. It's very fall like. So yeah, it's like a liquid shadow. Ooh, it smells not like candy, but not like chemical, like something, I don't know, not bad. So it's my first time trying Girlactik products. I've been eyeing this brand, but I've never got to use them, so this is exciting for me. So the next thing is the Longwear Gel Eyeliner. Okay, this is how it looks. It's a brown, I think. Let me open it. Oh, it's like a brown crayon. Oh, it's interesting. Oops, I don't want to break the point. Oh, I think oops, I got swatched there. So you see it's a brown. That was by accident. And I think this comes with the sharpener. Yeah, this is cool. You can sharpen the pencil here, and then you put it back up when you don't want it to sharpen it. And wow, that's cool. Okay, the next thing is Glow on the Go pencil. I think this is like a highlighter for like a quick highlighter application. It's a pretty like cream bronzy shade. Let me swatch it. Yeah, it's like a highlighter. It's like golden bronze. The lighting sucks, but wow, it's really pretty. I can't wait to use this. Oh, I think you can swirl over it, yank it up, I don't freaking know, up. You twist it up here, and you get more here, there. But no sharpener. Okay, so whatever. I'm gonna open the next thing. Is called Lash Play Dual Mascara. Okay, so it says Lash Play Dual, and it says right here Lengthening. So this side is to lengthen, and this side is to detailing. So that's cool and new for me. So I guess it has like 2 mascara ones and one. Oh, this one smells strong. interesting smell for mascara. Not bad, but just okay. On this side, it's a it's a little mini one. Oh, this is good for like the bottom lashes, and the other one for the on top. So they're both skinny and long. Oh, I'm excited for this. Oh my gosh, the packaging. I love the packaging. Is this the glossy lip liner in the shade Delilah? I think, yeah, this was the one I chose. It's the darkest shade. They had 3. Look at the flowers or rose. It's a very pretty. Oh, I love that sound. It's like a reddish. It looks more red in person, and the pictures it was more like mauvey purple. That's interesting. So, wow, it's very smooth and buttery. This kind of smells like candy. Ooh, I kind of want to buy more now. It smells really good. Okay, and this is a Chicky Tinted Glow, and this is in the shade Levy. This is French. I'm learning French. Well, not anymore because I don't have storage to use Duolingo, but I used to. Okay, so anyways, distracted. I chose this shade. They only had 3 shades. The one was like a pinky reddish, but that was sold out. I only had this one. I think I forgot the other shade. It looked more brown. I can't remember. But I got the orange with the gold. And this is a blush and a highlighter, I think. Let me. Oh, it's creamy. Oh, it's like a creamy blush. Never mind. Wow, I think I love that color now. I'm glad I chose this one, and this one is the highlighter. Oh, so I prefer this highlighter shade than the stick. I think I chose right. I'm glad. I thought it was gonna be too dark, but no, it's a perfect shade. Okay, and the next thing is the Dewy Rose Petal Dewy Face Mist. Ooh, oh wow. Are there rose petals in here? Look, there's rose petals. I've never seen this before. And it's like pink and sparkly. It looks very like kawaii. Ooh, it smells like rose water. So I want to apply it, but then I don't. Are my intrusive thoughts gonna win today? Maybe, maybe not. But look, it looks so cool. The rose petals are there now. Look, they're there now. I don't know if y'all can see, but I'm scared. Ooh, it smells like perfume. It smells like a perfume I used to have when I was a preteen. Like a candy perfume I used to wear. It smells like that. Or like a hair product. I wouldn't use scented products on my sensitive skin. You see, it's very sensitive. But it smells like a perfume, not a face mist, which worries me, but oh well. So the last thing is this cranberry sugar-free scrub. So let me open it. Okay, it's a pretty pink packaging. Wow. Okay. Oh, this really shut there. Okay, so it comes with a tapa, cover. Ooh, it smells like candy. It smells like a Jolly Rancher, Starbird, like some type of candy. And perfume. It smells similar to the face mist with candy. Well, it smells like the actual candy. Estoy haciendo mugrero. I'm making a mess. So. Oops. I'm gonna close it. Look, I made a mess. I wonder if you can eat it. No, it tastes like chemicals. It's not natural. I shouldn't have done that. Hope I don't get sick, but yeah, it's not. Oh, it's cranberry, not strawberry. It smells more like strawberry. Strawberry. I'm kidding. It's freaking. Why am I bleeding? I think I'm bleeding. Or is the strawberry? I don't even know. Let me see. The excess here, I'm gonna put it in my hand. Look, it's like a scrub. And it says to leave it like 3 to 5 minutes after doing that and then remove it with water. But my skin is so sensitive, I don't think I'm gonna do it in my face. I'm scared. But it's pretty cool. It smells good. Okay, so that's basically everything that I have in my box. So I think I'm gonna do a swatch from this shadow. I forgot to do a swatch, so let me do it right here. Well, it's like an army green, olive green with gold reflective sparkle. Oh, it's a pretty shade. Can't wait to use these. Okay, thank y'all for watching. Bye. And yeah, I think I was bleeding probably from opening boxes. Okay, I didn't notice I had a letter inside the Willy Wonka ticket. This is a gold. I'm freaking joking, but it says Benefit Cosmetics. It's just a live video. Anyways, I'm gonna do it a quick summary. So how to win this challenge, I basically have to share my videos on all social media platforms, and then the top 5 winners will be selected by Girlactik and Glamily with the considerations of your videos, creativity, quality, engagement with Glamily community, and social impact. So the ones that rank to 7th to 30th place, those sum up the total likes of the videos, and then you get certain points in the app. So I guess with that you get to redeem like products that you choose. So let's see if I win. If I don't, then it's okay. It's so fun. I still got to try these products. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna end it here. Okay, bye.